Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to convert USDC to USDT in Bybit. Your first step would be to open up the Bybit centralized exchange as I have, and then make sure you have an account here. If you do not have an account on Bybit, use our link in the description of the video to go ahead to register and verify your account. And once you've registered and verified your account, click on the deposit icon, go down and select the deposit crypto option. Simply make use of the search icon at the top of the screen to simply search for USDC. Click on the USDC coin and select the network you'd like to receive your tokens on, and then go ahead and copy your address and deposit. So once you've deposited your USDC on the Bybit exchange, how can you swap or convert this token into your USDT? Where we have the more icon, click on more. Under trade, we have the convert icon, so click on convert. Once you select the convert, where we have Bitcoin to USDT, in place of Bitcoin, simply use the search to search for USDC. So go ahead and select USDC. Now enter an amount of USDC you'd like to convert into the USDT and click on quotes. By doing this, you successfully converted your USDC into the USDT token, and to confirm its arrival, head to the assets menu, perform a reload here, check your funding and unified trading accounts, and you'll find the USDT token there. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.